Hello, I'm the Chief Sales Officer at Acme Beverages. My CEO has asked me to submit a plan for achieving a revenue of $19 billion in 2026. To create a revenue plan, I'll go to my workspace and launch a new plan item. The first thing I need now is prior year performance data, which is available in my semantic model. You'll see the model on the right pane. I've assigned dimensions and measures to the canvas, with the prior year revenue organized by product hierarchy and time period. To start planning, let's add columns to our template. I'll add a numeric field that has a copy of prior year revenue. I'll hide prior year data so that I can focus on what's important. Note that I can plan at any level in the hierarchy. Since each category tends to grow at a different pace, it's better to start planning at the category level. I'll start with the smaller but high-growth categories and apply specific growth rates based on industry outlook and our past performance. As I update each category, the increase gets proportionally distributed to all the brands below and across time periods. They also automatically roll up to the company-level outlook. This way, the entire plan stays in sync. I'll now apply a high-growth target to our newly launched brand, Cosmic Craft Brews. I'll lock the categories I've already planned. Now, when I apply the overall target of $19 billion, the increase gets fully allocated to the 5 beer brands that are still open. I'm confident that achieving these numbers is realistic. Let me now change a specific target. I'll add a comment and tag a colleague, and this automatically notifies them through Teams. When you submit a plan to a CEO, it's better to go prepared with a couple of alternative scenarios. I can create multiple scenarios for my plan and switch between them anytime. Let me go ahead and make a few changes to my best-case scenario. Scenarios come with an intuitive and engaging slider, and they capture variances with respect to the base scenario. At any point in time, you can switch the interface from a crosstab to a tree view. Adjustments made in one view automatically carry over to the other. So far, I created the plan on my own. If you prefer to collaborate with your team, you may want to incorporate additional fields for control and tracking purposes, have guardrails to enforce rules so that nobody goes too far off with their assumptions, implement advanced security to control who can view or edit data, create scenarios, comment and collaborate, and write the data back. And finally, leverage the audit view to track who changed what and when. Let us now save this plan to Fabric SQL. First, I'll define a destination. I'll then go ahead and save it back to the database. When you explore Fabric SQL database, you'll notice a new table with all the plan details. We have successfully created our first plan in minutes. Until now, Fabric IQ Ontology had a clear view of what happened in the past. By incorporating forward-looking plans, I can give it a comprehensive view of the future. In other words, Fabric is now ready to look forward and think ahead.